Hello everyone, welcome to my glamorous world of glittery lipstick and mesmerizing lip makeup. By this channel, beauty is joy forever. Dear viewers, today in this exciting video, I will be diving into the realm of shimmering beauty, where lipstick center stage and shine like never before. Get ready to be captivated by a plethora of sparkling shades and transformative lip art. Dear viewers, so if you are ready to add a touch of magic and sparkle to your makeup routine, please join me on this glittery adventure. Prepare to be inspired by endless possibilities that glittery lipsticks and glittery lip makeup. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an enchanting beauty tutorial. Get ready to shine and sparkle like a true beauty queen. Dear viewers, this video is full of ideas that you can pick and enhance your beauty. Glittery lipsticks are all about the range right now, and it's not hard to see why. These innovating lip products are designed to unleash your inner diva, allowing you to express your unique style with a touch of glamour and glamour. Whether you are heading to a glamorous party or simply want to make a bold statement, glittery lipsticks are your secret weapons. But it is not just about the lipstick themselves. In this video, I will also explore the art of creating stunning lip makeup contrasting with eye makeup also. From suitable shimmers to full-on dazzling effects, there is a glittery lip makeup style for everyone. Discover how to create the gradient glitter umber effect and even a mesmerizing lip design using a combination of glitter, glosses and complementary lip liners. Get ready to experiment and unleash your creativity. Becomes your personality a unique and becomes very different to others. In this video, I have invited a renowned beauty influencer to share her secret for long-lasting glittery lips. Thank you.